This is Kathleen Weisis at Michigan State University Libraries, and this is a live video in which I'm going to attempt to download median household income for each census tract in the state of Virginia. I don't know what's going to happen, so let's find out together. I'm going to start at the U.S. Bureau of Census website called American Factfinder, and you can see the URL is factfinder.census.gov. And what we're doing is kind of next level, a little bit complicated, and so we're going to skip right over community facts and guided search, and we're going to go straight to advanced search to see every bell and whistle that the census website has to offer. And first I'm going to, you can see there's 10,000 different tables in here, which is of course way too many. You don't want to look through them all. So first I'm going to winnow that list and say I only am interested in tables that show information at the census tract level, and I'm only interested in the state of Virginia. Now, what I wasn't sure was going to happen or not, I think in the past you could only do county by county. You had to select a county, and you'd have to download each county in Virginia one by one, and it would be very tedious. But I see here we do have an option, all census tracts within Virginia, so that's terrific. So now we have this added over here to our selections, and if we close this out, well, we're still at 10,538 tables. That didn't help very much. We will go to topics. We are interested in people, and we're interested in their income. I don't remember if the question was median household income per individual or per household. I'm going to go with household. But if you were looking for the other, you could choose individuals instead. And okay, good. Now we're down to 1,642 tables. And we're only interested in new data. So also under topics, I can go under data set. And what we want are these American Community Survey 5-year estimates. So when it says 2017, it actually means, let's see, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sampling data is averaged together. And so I'm going to choose that. Close. Ooh, good. We're down to only 149. I want a table that has the word median in its name, so that will help. There we go. This looks pretty good. What's the difference between this one and this one? So many tables. Oh, inflation adjusted. 2 years worth of inflation adjusted dollars. I'm just going to stick with this one right here that came up first. You can see it has a star next to it because it's one of the more heavily used ones. So there we go. We finally found our table. And it loads them, and it only shows us who are we looking at? Median income in the past 12 months. They have it broken down all kinds of ways, even so, by age of householder and all kinds of other things. Interesting. But then you can see these columns. Each grouping of columns represents a census tract, and they go on and on and on, because a census tract only has, I don't know, whatever, like 1 to 10,000 people in it per. So Virginia has lots and lots of census tracts, and you can see we'd have to page forward 11,000 times to see them all. This is a big data set, and so what we want to do is download it. And you get 2 choices on how to download it. No, you don't. That's the other website where you get 2 choices. You might want to, especially if you were using a GIS, geographic information software, to manipulate and map and ask geographic-based questions of the data, then you would want the census tracts to be the rows of the spreadsheet, and you would want the attributes to be the columns of the spreadsheet, so you'd want to transpose it. And so you can do that right here under Modify Table. You could transpose it, you could monkey around with the various indicators and change its appearance and stuff. But we will go ahead and download it as is. It zips it, and so we have to extract it. And you can see it's a comma delimited file, but it would open in Microsoft Excel. So it looks like we were successful. We got what we wanted, and good luck to you.